In this video, we're going to talk about our new Eyepiece Leveling System. The first component is the base, which attaches to your tripod head and is similar to the O'Connor design. The second is the telescoping arm, which attaches to the base and goes up to your eyepiece. Now let's look at these on a tripod. This system is designed for O'Connor cine heads, and if you have a version like the 2560, which we show here, with the 2 screws installed directly on the tripod head, then you don't need this small black piece on the base bracket. So we'll take that off before we install it. We'll align the 2 silver parts with the 2 silver screws on the head, drop it down, and then tighten the thumb screws to lock it in place. To install the telescoping arm, you'll attach the thumb screw to the correct hole on the base bracket. Then we'll install the top piece into our AIR EVF extension or a third-party extension that's compatible with the AIR Eyepiece Leveler system. Push the safety pin down, slide it forward, and then lock the extension to keep it rigid. There are 2 points of adjustment on the bracket base, the first of which is the back thumb screw, which can be unlocked and moved in and out depending on how far you need it from the center of the lens. This is also great for avoiding some of the controls on the side of the tripod head. You can also unlock this thumb screw and slide backwards and forwards depending on how far back your EVF is compared to the camera. To use the Eyepiece Leveling System, we'll first unlock or loosen the thumb screw on the front AIR EVF mount or third-party device of a similar design. Then we'll unlock our tripod head and tilt forwards and backwards. You can see that the eyepiece stays in the same plane. These products are all available in our store now.